What we're announcing today is the mobile flip ad unit and also the capability for our brand advertisers to run tablet-only campaigns. So what we've seen increasingly in the industry is a desire by brands to experiment and use alternative screens. We found the audiences for brands are being fragmented and fractured across screens. All of us as consumers are increasingly using multiple screens to watch videos, and our customers are trying to reach us on those screens. So with Mobile Flip, we have a new innovative ad unit that leverages the gesture controls and capabilities of touch screens found on smartphones and tablets to now allow brands not only to reach users or customers, prospects on mobile screens, but also to engage with them in innovative new ways.
All right, so tell us a little bit about the creative that goes into that. Is it are you using existing media, and what's the user interface?
Sure, that's a great question. So just like in online or connected TV, we're using existing TV assets. So existing assets that come out of good TV commercials are handed off to us by the creative agency for the media buying agency. And then our creative services team remixes or mashes up, if you will, that creative for use in each mobile ad unit and each online ad unit type. In the case of Mobile Flip, what we're doing is a bit more interactive programming, Flash and HTML5, depending on the platform, that allows users to interact with the ad unit on any part of the screen. So the ad unit comes up, it's playing a video, and then there are interactive elements that get programmed into, in a way you can think of them as overlay buttons that become part of the creative. Our creative services team does that. We get sign-off then from the brands, but it also has a call to action to explore more or flip. And it's kind of like the gesture control you find on a phone, that when the user interacts with that particular call to action, the ad unit actually flips as if it's flipping the phone over or the tablet over. And then there's more opportunities, an interactive slate on the other side of the ad unit, again, programmed and created by our creative services team using existing video assets from the brand, that allows the brand to further engage. In the case of, let's say, an auto campaign, you could explore a car and the interfaces in a car, and the different interiors, paints. If it was a movie entertainment, it could be watch a longer trailer, interact with different character bios, etc.
All right, so tell us about the financial elements. In other words, the pricing, I should say, of this kind of medium. I know it's very early on, but where might it go and how might it be priced?
Yeah, it's a great question. So the pricing usually becomes part of an existing campaign. So what we're increasingly seeing is multi-screen campaigns. So they come and essentially the request is help us reach our audience. And what we then do is based on the demo targeting, the data they're looking for, as we help them find the audience. And it's a mix usually of part of the campaign going to traditional online, part of the campaign going to mobile, and even now some of the campaign going to CTV. So the pricing gets mixed across those three. And you can think of mobile as a little more expensive than online and a little less expensive than connected TV, just sort of in the maturation of the platform. So, we're talking, tens of dollars CPMs, between $10 and $20 generally speaking. Now, sometimes if you're doing some particular unique creative or trying to do some very particular targeting, those prices can go up into the 20s.
And then finally, where do things stand with advertising on mobile devices? Where is the industry and where does it need to go now?
So mobile advertising, I mean, if you read all the punditry out there in the marketplace, last year really was the year of mobile. Mobile arrived, mobile's real. If you look at the existing people out there, Google and Millennial, who are publicly traded companies who have pure play mobile ad networks and mobile solutions. What we're seeing is that, again, it's part of a multi-screen campaign. It's about fragmentation. It's about finding audiences across screens. So we believe mobile is just yet another screen in a total audience buy. And if you want to reach true brand, TV brand scale, to find audiences the way a TV advertiser wants to, you need to add mobile to the mix, because it extends your reach. You're reaching people you don't reach potentially in TV or online, and you're also extending your effective reach. As you know, we've done some interesting research where we found the mobile devices, tablets and mobile phones in the living room, are increasingly being used as companion media devices to TV. So it offers advertisers a unique opportunity to extend their campaigns onto a companion device and complement TV.